Some of you guys may have noticed that I make a lot of things for this maniac. Well, today I'm gonna make another thing. Pardon me. Ow! So, I'm a game designer, and all the games I've seen for cats are on iPad or other touch devices, and I hate leaving this guy alone, so why don't I make something on the computer that I can turn on when I'm away to keep him company? Brilliant. So building a website that I can remote into and then turn on while I'm away from a different computer is pretty complicated, so I'm gonna start with a simpler version 1. Basically, I'm gonna make a real simple game where I can click somewhere and a little mousey will run to where I clicked. Or if I don't do anything for a while, he'll automatically move around the screen. So I can just turn it on before I leave for work and then leave it running so Fez has something to do. So, let's do that. Alright, I'm using what's called Coco's Creator for this thing, which is kind of like Unity, except it sucks and has no documentation. Anyway, I started a new project. All it says right now is Hello World across the bottom of the screen. If you're a programmer, you know that's a very typical thing. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is make it so that when I click somewhere, a little circle will move to it. Okay, that should do it. Let's see. Well, that's not right. Fixed it, I had my frictions reversed. Okay, if I reload this page now, I have a little dude, he moves towards his destination, and then he stops. Wow. All right, now I made it so the thing rotates. So when it's moving somewhere, it'll actually rotate towards where it's moving. Wow. We have it picking random positions, so now if we reload this sucker and we wait for a second, it'll actually start moving the mouse automatically. Well, they'll circle with the arrow on it. I also made it so that the mouse can go off of the side of the screen so that it kind of hides and come back on to make the cat more excited. I don't know. Okay, let's make it now so that we can click and actually control it in case we want to play with our cat like while we're there. Let's go. I can click on it now. So the mouse moves around just like before, just like normal, but if I click, it'll start moving towards my mouse. That's it. Alright, I put in some prettier art. That's really it. Now it makes really annoying noises. Yeah? You like that? I think it's pretty obvious that he loves it. Okay, so obviously the thing needs a little bit more polish, but there you go, we got a working cat game on the computer in just a couple of hours. So I'm actually going to keep working on this website. I think it's a hilariously, brilliantly stupid idea. Basically, a website that serves up games to your pets while you're away. So if you have a cat and you want to try this out, or a dog or a lizard, I don't know, send me an email here and I'll actually sign you up to be a beta tester. That helps me out so I can get feedback and helps you out because you can try it out and see if it works. Yeah, if you don't want to do that, just leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share this video. All that stuff takes me a lot of time to make these things. It really helps when I know you guys enjoy it. Anyway, I think that's about it. You guys are awesome. I'll see you next time, if you will.